I got Babe right here. I got Babe right here. She's my nose, you feel me? So I can't smell. Hopefully I can try to taste this shit. But look at this. Caramelized steak and shrimp. Ribeye steak at that. It's a ribeye 9-ounce steak. And I got over, let's say I cut about like 20 shrimps in half, you feel me, little pieces. So I got a nice amount, you feel me? This was only one steak, you feel me? One steak did all this. One steak versus 20 shrimps. Cut into pieces. You feel me? I got that nice little juicy caramelization, you feel me? She got the nacho cheese going on over there, you feel me? She's about to roll that blunt, you feel me? We got the relax, you feel me? We got the salsa though. We gotta have the salsa on the nacho.
Nigga.
We got the chips though.
Nigga, you trying to know about that Jack, nigga? Ribs dipped in hot wings, nigga.
Nigga, Doritos Jack, nigga.
No, nothing about that.
With that cream though, you gotta have cream.
Niggas probably using regular ass tortilla chips.
Nigga, what?
No flavor.
What? Look at that.
Babe, you can cut that down.
Finally finished product of the nachos. From start to finish. Now I'm about to go enjoy and watch this E40 movie.
You feel me?
I'll catch you guys later.